Yeah. So normally SAS, one can Google it and see it. It's just called statistical analysis system. So basically, SAS is mostly used in terms of, analysis, by using stats and all, and to have both, basic analysis and, computer analysis, and, building machine learning models, and, in terms of clinical SAS also. Okay. So firstly, it was used in terms of analyze the you know, agricultural data. So later on, it just came to on all other fields. Okay. So normally SAS is called, it's the world's biggest private limited company in terms of software. Okay, I mean my point is that it's the world's biggest software private limited company in terms of SAS, because SAS itself is a company where
Mm-hmm.
it just give us the SAS, a tool, and a tool which have editor and all. Based on it, we'll have this SAS coding. Okay, but the backend of SAS coding is still Java. Yeah, and so I just told you, right? Apart from agriculture, all the fields where SAS is is being used currently. In the entire world. We have automotives, communication, education, banking, financial services, government, health insurance, healthcare providers, hospitality, entertainment, insurance, life sciences, manufacturing, media, oil and gas, retail, hotels, utilities. Okay, so all these. So in terms of there are sectors where SAS can be used, and these are the tools. SAS gives us these kind of solutions for these sectors. I mean, in terms of we'll have some we can do some analytics based on with the help of SAS. We have business intelligence tools, customer intelligence tools. We have ETL tool. So basically SAS is called and I know. So SAS is a tool. It's a combination of ETL come reporting. So in the market we have tools which are in a separate way. We have few tools in terms of ETL, and we have some tools in terms of reporting. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but SAS acts like both. ETL means extraction, transformation, and loading. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
ETL means so E means you extract the data from from an other source, like maybe the database or some other source. Okay, transformation means you just transform the data based on your requirement. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and L means loading. You again load the data to the to the specific database, or yeah, database or something else. Okay, so that's called ETL. And in terms of reporting means how do you present your data? Okay, in terms of in terms of maybe in terms of normal just a basic Excel sheets, or in terms of different graphs, all these. Okay, so so we have different separate tools in the market, where few use ETL separately and few use reporting separately. But SAS is a it's a combination of ETL and reporting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's a reason banks and pharmaceutical companies, they widely use this tool. Yeah, another one is it gives you financial intelligence. All these tools, governance and risk, fraud management. Okay. So I mean, it has different modules. I mean, different modules, tools, in the sense, it has different modules for for each and every solution. Okay, it has for fraud management, in the sense it has a tool where where we can mitigate the fraud risk. Okay, I mean, same thing, and on a whole, we still need SAS coding itself, but but the tool will be different. That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. These are all. It's these two are its founders. Jim Goodnight and Jim Brad. They are two founders. Who founded this language in North Carolina State University. Yeah. So thing is, so normally SAS is a multi-database architecture. So I told you, right? We can just extract the data in terms of whichever database it is. That this is
Mm.
what we can we can we can connect this SAS to all these data sources: Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Teradata, Information, MS Access. We can even we can even connect to big data. Okay, Hadoop. All these. Sorry, Hadoop, big data. We can even pull data from Excel files, CSV files, notepads, all these. So that's reason it's called SAS is a multi-database architecture. Yeah, and now coming to the the purpose of SAS. So yeah, so normally SAS has many other purposes. So in terms of if you define few, these are the ones data access and data management. We access we can access the data using SAS. We can manage the data using SAS. No, it is, my point is, it's one of the best in user interfaces. Okay. I worked with, I worked on few other programming languages, in terms of their, in terms of their, user interfaces. But apart from those, SAS is, one of the best in terms of user interfaces. Okay. And, application development, business solutions, ETL, analytics, reports and graphs, all these. It's one of the best in terms of all these. Yeah. So normally, majorly, SAS has around SAS has around four functionalities. Okay. So for one is data access, other one is data management, third one is data analysis, and last one is data presentation. So as I said it before, it's called ETL and it's called ETL and reporting tool. Okay. So ETL, it's called in terms of ETL, we access the data, we manage the data, okay, and and we load the data. But apart from that, in terms of other functionalities which which cover data analysis and data presentation. So the data presentation which means we can we can report the data in terms of whichever whichever view we want, in terms of graphical views, in terms of Excel views, in terms of you know some other apart from our standard views, we can create a different reports. That's that's
So,
what SAS has. Yes, ma'am.
so Rajiv, like I am a scientist, so we were working on the experiments. So, like for data presentation, for analysis, we are representing like charts and then graphs. So, I think the SAS is a like best programming language in term
Yes,
of like,
yes,
uh,
ma'am.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. So or else apart from SAS, once we get the data set from SAS. So normally SAS has data sets. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
data set in the sense, in Excel file we have sheets, right? The same
Mm-hmm.
way we have we have in SAS, data is stored in form of data sets. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So even we can just ingest these these data sets into another platform like Tableau, Power BI. I mean, these are all reporting tools. Okay, we can ingest this data into other other reporting tools, and then and then we can show a different we can show a view based on the graph whichever you want to choose. Okay. You know it right now. What is Tableau, Power BI, and all?
But these are the languages, yeah, other, yeah.
Yeah, other no,
Wait, I'm sorry, Rajiv. Wait, what are you saying, Rajiv? What is what?
so I mean, Isha, have you ever heard of Tableau, Power BI, or
No,
reporting tools? Yeah,
I
that's
don't have
okay.
like any information in
Yeah,
regards to
that's
this.
okay. That's okay. No problem. Yeah, yeah. It's it's a question from Pooja ma'am, so that's okay. It's confined to Pooja ma'am itself. Yeah,
Oh, wait, wait, 'cause I don't have like any like
yeah, that's okay.
background and
Not
knowledge.
required.
Yeah.
Not required. Not required. Yeah, yeah. So in terms of SAS functionality, we'll have in terms of data access. while using data access, which means, while pulling data from the, different data sources, we use some kind of, uh, we use, some kind of SAS coding. So all these cover, all these come under SAS coding. Okay. We'll go through in detail, regarding this in the, in the previous sessions. But just to, just to, just to, just to remember these terms. So it's called in-file statement. It's called proc. Proc
Oh,
means procedure. Proc import, SQL pass-through. Which means, pulling the data from the
from
database,
the
using SQL. Okay. Other one is libname statement. Other one is proc access and all. Okay. No, just remember these words. We'll just deal with these terminologies in the next sessions.
so
Okay.
Rajiv,
Yes.
process step we will use for the printing the data.
No, ma'am. Proc step. It's not about only printing the data. It's about procedures. We use this these procedures. In terms of manipulation of data. Okay. To view
Okay.
the data in different forms. All these.
Okay.
Yeah. We have many. I mean, actually, SAS has. No, to be honest, SAS is a ocean. I can say that there are many procedures and many functions in it, but we only
Mm,
deal with few, only very few. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Because every sector has its own, has its own, usability. Okay.
Yeah.
So on a whole, every sector need a, a common usability, right? That's what we're gonna deal in these sessions. Apart
Mm,
from that, once you go into a real world. Okay, suppose when once you go into a banking or a, or a clinical domain, so there
mm.
there'll be different procedures where they'll use their for their purpose, which which you can learn from them itself. There is no problem in it.
Company like a specific requirement what they are.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah. From once once you know the essence of why are we using this kind of procedures and data set data steps, then you can easily learn those other procedures on your own. Then there won't be any any issues. Okay. The essence is important, which we're going to teach you. Yeah. And next one is data management. Okay. So data management in the in the sense once you have the data from an other source. Okay. So how do you manage the data in terms of in terms of what are the what are the what are the um what is the data in it, how it's how it, how the data is loaded, what are the lengths of it, what are the formats of it. Okay. All these, how do you, in terms of how do you how do you manipulate the data. So manipulation in the sense, how do you transform the data. All these come under data management. So we use we use many many kind of coding coding the terminologies here. Now we use set, merge, format, informat, update. In terms
Okay.
of statements, we other we use many other statements we have in terms of we have options.
Mm.
Okay. And we have functions. So all these come under data step procedures. Okay. Sorry, all these come under data
Data.
step. Okay. Yeah. So in terms of in terms of analysis. So in terms of analysis, we can do minor minor analysis and major analysis. Okay. So major major analysis, it will cover most of the part in terms of statistical calculations. Okay. So
Mm.
we can analyze the data based on, we have we have we have few minors called sum, means means standard deviation, frequency. And other, we have other various statistical kind of calculations. Okay.
Are you gonna share this document with us?
Yes, I'll do it, Ishan. I'll do it. Yeah. Okay. So in terms of statistical calculations, we only cover few, ma'am. Okay, not all, because if because only few, only the basic part we're gonna use in our day-to-day life. Once you go into a real world. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In regarding this in-depth, in-depth, statistical calculations, we use them in terms of machine learning. Okay, that's that's again a different
Mm.
topics.
Mm.
Yeah,
Topic, yeah.
yeah, yeah. So this is simple, transform, raw data into a meaningful and useful information. That's what we use all this, stats. Okay. So in
Mhm.
terms of stats, we have, we have some means. So we'll cover some means, frequency, univariate until univariate. Okay. So this ANOVA, chi-square, CMA, GL, regression, correlation, standard deviation and all. These are some kind of advanced, I can say advanced techniques. Okay, in terms for which which are used for machine learning. Yeah, which we won't be covering in this in these sessions. Okay,
Mhm.
yeah, and in terms of after once we analyze the data, we want to print the data. Okay, we use proc print, proc report, proc tablet, proc frequency. Okay, null reporting also. Okay, these are all will be covered in these sessions. Okay, so these four they are used they are used to report the data. Okay, any
Mhm.
two if you are if you are good at any two, that should be fine. Okay. Yeah. So, preferably proc report and proc print, and they are they are widely used in terms of in terms of reporting the data.
Mhm.
Okay, to build beautiful reports in terms of their coloring, in terms of their the data representation, all these. Okay. So in terms of data presentation, so how we gonna present this data to the end user. We use proc report, proc tab, proc report, proc print. We have other procedures. You know, we send this entire data in terms of ODS reporting. Okay, so ODS means output delivery system. Output delivery system. Okay, where we're gonna cover this topic where we're gonna create our reports and add add few more things, few more appreciations to this report with the help of ODS reporting, and send this report to the specific client, I mean in terms of client or stakeholders. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah. So, this precisely what SAS is. Okay, these four are the main uses. Apart from this, yeah, these four will cover everything. Take it as a clinical SAS basic analysis. Okay, or minimum machine learning. Then these four are the are the topics where SAS will be covered. Okay, I mean, no, take it as in any kind of SAS. Whether it is machine learning, whether it is clinical SAS, whether it is banking SAS, or in any other domain. First, we're gonna access the data, then
Mhm.
manage the data in terms of data manipulation. Some say data massaging or data scrubbing or and all. Another one is once we have the perfect data, then we do the data analysis in terms of we have different techniques in it. The last one is data presentation. Okay, at the end, it's
Mhm.
important how do you sorry. Now these three are just it's up to you. Okay, how do you access, manage, and analyze? It's up to you. Okay, and this one is specifically which then this is gonna go to the client
Client.
or the stakeholder. Okay,
Mhm.
so how do you present? No, how do you how do you present the data? In which format? Is it in a is it in a presentable way? That's what you
Mhm.
have to be. You have to see. And other one is it's completely based on the profile which you're gonna which you're gonna do. Okay, uh every profile has its own has its own nature. Okay, because everyone doesn't get to have doesn't get to do this presentation. Some may some roles may stop at analysis. Okay, in
Mhm.
term, yeah, all these. But on a whole, these four, no, these four, if you know about these four, then it's good to go. Okay. Now, once you're well versed with these two, data access, data management, and data analysis, presentation is what you show. No, you can change the options wherever you want. Okay, but these three are very, very important. I say that. According to my perception, analyze data in terms of once you're well versed with the with the business, then you can easily analyze the data. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No, I'll just show you how do you actually download this website. Sorry, this editor in terms of SAS editor. Okay. So go to this website called SAS. So welcome.oda.sas.com. I'll just post this website in the chat.
Mhm.
Okay. Where's the chat? Okay. Just if you are on the laptop, just open this just click on the link. Ma'am, are you on the laptop?
Yeah, I am in the lab. Yeah.
Yeah. How about you, Ishan? Ishan, hello. Ishan, can you hear me?
Yeah, sorry, I was muted. I apologize. Yes, I can hear
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Are you on the laptop?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Open this. Click on the link. Just see
Okay.
where it goes. Okay.
Welcome. Yeah, sir, from the March. Okay.
Yeah. So
Zoom.
normally, normally as I said, as I told you, right, SAS, is one of the expensive tools. But in terms of students, it's giving us for free. Okay.
You have to do the sign in, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sign in. No,
Yeah, I don't
just
see it.
sorry.
I don't see anything.
You have to
Go to the
click.
go to the chat. Go to the chats, Ishan. Go to the chat. Click on the website.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Yeah. Click on the link which I have shared with which I have shared in the chat,
Yeah,
and
SAS on.
tell me what you are seeing now.
I see SAS on demand for academics.
Exactly. On the top right corner, do you have a option called sign in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on that.
I don't have a user ID and password.
Yeah. Then do one thing. So at the bottom you have don't have a SAS profile, right? Click on that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fill your fill your details in it.
I'm a student, right? Just put student.
Yeah, yeah, you can do it happily, no problem.
And for expertise, do I say not a SAS user?
Yeah, yeah, fill all those and then create your SAS profile. How about you, ma'am? Is it can you open the SAS window?
Yeah, I am opening. Yeah.
Okay. Just let me know once you open the SAS window.
Okay.
Yeah.
Raju,
Yeah, Ishan.
it is saying I'm supposed to get a code.
Code
Code.
for both of you.
No, no, no. I am just setting the password.
Okay, what code is it, Ishan? I don't get it. I mean, is it a one-time password? I mean, which you'll be getting to your email or your phone number? Is it so?
First, they will say like to activate your account, email
Hmm.
account. So you have to go to the email and then click to the like link.
Yeah, do it, Ishan. No, no. Did you get that?
No, I haven't gotten it yet. That's
So,
strange.
so what exactly it is asking? Have you have you given it? Just see the email which you have given to it. Just see the email ID which you have no
All right, let me
given.
do it again.
Yeah, yeah. Just make sure your email ID.
No, of course, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, everything else is correct.
You get it? We're still waiting. How about you, ma'am? No,
Yeah, I'm
using
just setting the password.
password.
It was,
Okay, fine.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, I just got the link.
Okay. Yeah. Click on the link and then activate your account.
It's loading, Rajiv. Give me 1 second.
So paid character, one lowercase, one uppercase. I don't know why they are not taking the password.
Rajiv, what's the website name?
No, just go to the chat which I gave you, right? In the chat, go to the chat, click on the link.
Not currently registered process on demand. I would like to register.
It says unregistered profile. So
Yeah,
register it.
yeah, you have to register. That's what I just say.
All right, United States, submit.
Please do it. I'll just be back in 2 minutes. Okay.
I already finished it, Rajiv. It says registration scheduled,
Yeah.
and it says the process takes up to 5 to 10 minutes,
What
right?
is it?
And do you want me to send a screen share?
No, do one thing. So you remember the password and the the email, right? The user ID.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
To,
the
to create a
email ID
password.
and the password.
To
Yeah,
create a
I just
password.
I just created it, yes.
Okay, so do one thing. Go to the home. Okay, now go
Okay.
to click on the website which I gave you right in the chat. Click on that and just sign to and click on the sign in.
Yeah, no, right, you don't understand what I'm saying. I already signed in.
Okay, you already signed in. So it's saying that you have to wait for 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, 5 to 10
I
minutes, yeah.
already signed in, but like this telling like unregistered profile, and I am not able to like do the clicking. I have to retry after 10 minutes. So
Oh, is it the same for you?
yeah, the same
Okay,
for me.
it'd be
So
fine
I think I
if
have
I
to wait at least 10 minutes. I don't know why like we are not able to register. So
yeah, no less than 5 minutes because without that I cannot it's because I think it'll be easy for you if I just know if you have if you have it
yeah,
handy, easy for you by teaching it on my screen. Yeah, let's just I know just give me 5 minutes, ma'am. I know I'll just be back. Okay, let's wait for
okay,
that. Yeah.
Hi, what is your name?
sorry.
Pooja, right?
Yeah, hi, Pooja.
Hi, Pooja. My name is Ishan.
Hi. So where are you
Hi.
from?
India.
Oh, you're from India. Okay. So right now you're in India.
No, I'm USA. I was born in the US.
Okay, you're born in the USA, but are you staying in the USA or you are right now
Yeah,
in
yeah,
like
staying in the USA.
oh, where?
New York.
New York. Okay, I am in California.
Oh, nice, nice, Pooja. What's your background?
I did my master's in biotechnology field. So I am mostly in the clinical background. So I was working as a scientist. I already told like Rajiv, scientist in Roche. So we were handling cancer patient sample. So we were doing the next generation sequencing, and then we have to do the data analysis part. And then I had some problem in my eye, so I had to go to India. So that's why I thought I will like because every day I have to go to like office. So I was like I always wanted to go into the like
You don't mind
coding
me.
part, coding thing.
God.
So
If you
I thought
don't
okay, I will. Sorry,
if you don't mind me asking, Pooja, how old are you?
I am 35.
Oh wow, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm just trying to make friends in the SAS, so this way we can all like help each other if we need.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Yeah.
I'm 20. I have like barely any experience.
Okay. You are very like young.
Yeah, that's why I'm not familiar with like all of these stuff.
Yeah, because you are very young. So yeah, like, so you're a student, right?
Yeah.
So what you are doing, like
I'm bio and finance,
bio and finance. So you're doing masters or like undergraduate, like
undergraduate.
okay.
Cause I'm
Yeah,
20
you're
years.
very young. So yeah,
Cause I'm 20 years old, so I'm second year.
okay. Yeah, you have like a lot of time to like to
No
know
problem.
what is that. If you want to go into clinical side, so like it will be the best if you want to go like coding. So now you are in the state of like figuring out you like what you want to go like in which field or right.
No, of course, 100%. What type of scientist were you?
I am mainly we were doing the experiments in the lab. So I am from the biotech background. So we have to extract the DNA. I know you know about the DNA RNAs.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so we would actually every day we are collecting the cancer patient sample in different time interval, like 10 days, 20 days, 30 days. So they were like undergoing some treatment. So we were like kind of like in which phase of interval we are doing the next generation sequencing to find out the molecular markers, specific markers that are like for the tumor cells. So
Mm.
my work was totally in the like lab.
Oh wow, so his hands on.
Yeah, hands on.
Oh,
So
that's
now I
pretty.
thought like I can go in the like programming field also. Like I am really interested. So I thought, okay, I will join the course and let's see what I
Does
will
he
learn.
have so is your phone number American number?
Yeah, yeah, American number. Yeah,
Do you live in the Bayside near do you live in the Bayside near California?
yeah, I am in the Bay Area. Yeah.
Okay, I see. I'm in Long Island, New York.
Sorry.
Long Island. Like I don't live in
Oh,
this.
okay. I never visited like New York, but I'm planning to in the summer. Definitely, I will go.
Yeah. One thing I like about this is they said the job market is very good apparently in the area.
Yeah, job market is very good, but now like it's like most of
No,
the
but
company are laying off their employees.
no, but
So
for
I don't know about the job market.
no, but they said for the hiring company it's good.
Yeah, if like SAS, I think my brother-in-law is also in this field, like SAS. So for the like for job market, definitely yes, because he is working and like he's totally working in the SAS field. So and I was more interested toward the clinical part. So first, if you want to learn the clinical part, first you have to know the basics. If you don't know the basic, there's no
Hey,
need to like go in the advanced form.
no, of course. Do you think it's hard to like get a hang of it?
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
Do you think it's hard to get like the hang of it in the beginning?
I don't think it will be
I,
like,
hopefully he has like review sheets that we can study.
yeah.
This is taking 10 minutes, right? Pooja, it said?
This is what?
5, 10 minutes it's gonna take.
Yeah, he will take I think 5 minutes. I think I don't know because without signing, he can't explain. So that's why. Why did you able to like log in, sign in?
Let me check right now. I think 5 minutes is over. Maybe I can let me check.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to do. I think.
Okay, sign in. Okay. Um,
Let
Write
me
and
check.
run launch. Yeah, I can sign in now. Yes.
No, I like I forgot my password. I don't. Oh, yes, to check. Please sign in. Yeah, but I don't know why I'm not able to buy this thing. I agree to compile with the terms and use and license. I'm not able to click at it. Like, don't know why. Not the profile is not currently registered for SAS. Would you like to register? And when I am clicking, I'm not able to click to the link. I don't know why. Are you able to like sign in?
Yeah, I can see the launch button. Try refreshing the page.
I think I don't know. Yeah, I think I have to push the page. First profile, amount. Outside. No, I think it's a problem with the browser or anything. I have to figure it out.
What browser are you using?
Uh, it's not supporting. I have to update it. Like to
Hello,
update. Hello?
ma'am. Are you able to log in?
I
Or
think
still?
he's able to log in, but I think there is something problem with
I
my
think
browser, so I'm not able to sign in. So I will figure it out.
Oh. How about you,
Yeah.
Ishan? Can you see a
yeah,
window?
it
Yeah,
shows
he's
launch. It says write and run SAS launch.
Okay, let me sign in too. Yeah, ma'am. Just do it, in your free time, by tomorrow
yeah,
itself.
I will do it today. I will check. Yeah, what's the problem?
Yeah, yeah. Uh, Click on the launch button, Ishan.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Did you see a screen in this way? Let me assist.
Yeah, screen share.
Yeah, my screen is all, yeah. No issues. My point is, can you see a blank screen in this way?
It's initializing, Rajiv.
Okay, okay. Yeah, let me know once you're done.
Yeah, it's blank screen. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you're getting it right. So everything right.
Yes.
Blank screen with the name program one, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Program one. Yeah, code log results. Yes, blank screen. Yes.
fine. Yeah, this is what precisely and SAS editor looks like. So there's a free edition. Okay. So in terms of when you go into into the into some company where you use SAS, so there'll be different tools. Every tool will have a some basically a SAS editor like this one, a blank editor. Okay. So thing is the option changes. Okay, the options will change. Okay. So in terms of we have a normal SAS, PC SAS, we have SAS enterprise guide. We have enterprise guide, which is used for vast enterprises. We have to be on a lesser cost. We use some companies use this SAS Studio. It's called SAS Studio. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We have here it's a student version, but in companies we have some kind of better version, which more with more options. But other than that, these what we are using now and what company have will be mostly both same. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is where we're gonna practice and stuff.
Exactly. That is the yeah that is the
Got it. So today we're not doing anything. Today you just showed us to how to do this and stuff. How to
exactly, yeah, exactly. Tomorrow, I'm going to walk you through all these options. What are the options in this SAS?
tomorrow what time? 9:30 to 10:30.
Yeah, same time, Ishan. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'll let you
So
know.
I just
Just
3 days, like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
for this week, ma'am, it'll be just 2 days. Okay, from
Okay.
next week, I'll just no share the schedule by the Sunday itself. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
Hello.
yeah, ma'am.
Hello, Rajiv.
Yeah, am I audible? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
tomorrow, are we doing 9:30 to 10:30 every day?
Yeah, tomorrow same. Tomorrow same. For this week, we only have today and tomorrow itself. And for the
Okay.
next week, for the next week, mostly we'll have 3 sessions. I'll inform you on this Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
Regarding the timings and the days. Okay.
So that timing will be like 9:30 to 10:30, or
Yeah,
will like
mostly will be same timings, ma'am. No, same timings. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. I mean, it might, yeah, mostly it will be same timings. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If, yeah. Uh, yeah, precisely, once you have the, editor handy. Okay. So this is what a basic SAS code looks. Okay. So it has a step called data. It's called, so this called, this particular, the entire code will come under data step. Okay. Because it starts with data. Okay. Data. So there's a basic code where we read these 5 lines of data. Okay. I'll just show you this one. Once you paste it over here in the editor window, even you can do it, Ishan, simultaneously.
Wait, what do you mean? How do you do this?
Okay, let me just, sorry, I thought you have, okay, let me just show you this chat. Go to the chat, Ishan, and copy this particular piece of code and paste it on the SAS editor window. Okay,
Wait, what do I copy on the? Okay, so what code do I copy?
go to the chat
Whole
and,
thing.
yeah, copy the whole thing. Whichever I pasted now, copy the whole, starting from
Yeah,
data to run. Okay, starting from data
yeah.
to run. Copy the entire code.
You want me to copy your code?
Yeah, copy the
Oh, you.
entire.
I'm sorry,
I
Rajib. I didn't
pasted
see.
in the chat, Ishan. Okay, copy the entire code and paste it
Your editor.
in your SAS window editor. Okay,
What do I enter?
no, just paste it.
Yeah,
Control V. That's it.
yeah, I did. Okay,
Okay, yeah,
so I have 11 lines.
exactly. 11 lines, right? So
Yeah.
normally, SAS has few basic rules. How do you write a code? What are the what are the requirements for this code? Okay. The first requirement is you should have a SAS editor, which you have it now, and the rest are regarding the code. Okay. So normally this code. So normally we have a few parts in SAS. One is data step. Other one is proc step. Proc step means procedures where where we deal with the proc step in the next sessions. For the okay, in the next session. But now for the next few sessions we'll deal with data step. So this is called data step. Okay, because it starts with data and ends with run. Okay. So in SAS, whichever program you take, it should run. It should end with run. Okay. In terms of data step, run is must and should, whichever program you take. Okay. And this is
Okay.
called data step. This is called it. No, this is called it. No, data step because it starts with data. Okay. We have to initialize this with data. So what we are doing here is we are just loading these 5 lines of data into this particular DS1. This is called DS1. So uh, data is is a predefined syntax of SAS. DS1, okay, it's a data set name which we are giving it. Okay, I just write it down. So
So
data,
DS. Okay.
sorry,
So I write data also the same thing as you're writing.
no, just listen to me. Just don't read anything. Okay, just listen to me. Okay, data is a predefined keyword of the predefined keyword of the SAS, and now so after data we have to give a name for the for the data set which we are creating it. Okay. No, you can give any name, but we have few rules for the name, which which I'm gonna tell you in the next session, which is tomorrow. Okay, for now, just listen to the class. That's it. Okay. Data DS. No, you can name anything. Your name, my name, anything. Okay, DS1. And I'm just name now. I'm just naming it as DS1. Means DS1, simple DS1 data set name. Okay, in this way. So this is in file data lines input. So here we are giving the our data. So these are data. With with respect to it, we are giving the column names. So in SAS, let me just run this. Okay. To run this, copy this code, copy this piece of code, Either you can press this button, so it shows this run all or selected code, or else you can directly select this particular piece of code and press the button F3. Press F3 on your keypad.
So I pressed run. I got columns.
Right. In this way, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This is what. Okay. So what it's doing here, this particular piece of code,
How do you go back? How do you go back?
just press, you're on this output data, right? Here. Go to
Yeah.
code window. That's it. These are all windows. We have log window, we have, results window, we have output data. So once you run this code, we get this in the output data.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once
Fine.
you run this data, we get it in the output data. We don't get anything in the log or result.
Log, no, in log, we'll get this particular data. Okay.
No,
So
I mean
normally,
in the result is empty though.
sorry,
Result is empty though when we run it.
no, results is not, it's not now. No, for results, we have other, we have other options, which I'll tell you, but just not now. Just for now, just, no, we'll just go on a flow. Okay. For now, no, we'll go with the output data. Okay. I'll tell you about results and log. Okay. Just wait for some time. Yeah. So this is what, this is what, once you run this code, this is what our data have. Okay. So normally in SAS, we called columns as variables. Okay. These columns called they are called as variables, and these, rows are called just rows or observations. Okay.
Questions, yeah.
So we call these as observations and these as variables. Okay. If you see here, we have defined 5 rows. Okay, 5 records. I mean records, observations, and rows. Okay. We have 5 rows here, and each row will be destined to this each column or variable. Okay. So first one is ID, because we just gave this ID as the first column. So these first few, okay, these first few this first column here from 5 to 9 will go into ID. Okay, and next and so on. Okay. In this way, we got the data. This is what typically, our data set looks in SAS. Take it as 100 columns or 1,000 columns, take it as 1 million rows. This will be the format. Okay. The column name might change, the rows, the data might change, but this will be the format. Okay. This will be the look and feel of the data set. Okay. Yeah. We'll just stop here. Okay. And any questions regarding until we just, went through a, SAS history and basics, right? SAS history, right? Any questions on it?
No.
No.
Okay, fine then. We'll just same time tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll go with uh, we'll go with the basics of SAS. I mean, the naming conventions, the rules of SAS program, naming conventions. What are the types in SAS program? All these. Okay. I'll once we complete the session, I'll just hand over this handout to you. Okay. I'll just create a separate SharePoint location and just give it to you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Yeah.
Tomorrow same day, right?
Same time. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sounds
Yeah,
good.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
Rajiv.
Thank you, Ishan.
Thank you. I'll
Yeah.
see you tomorrow.